Hello students, hope you all are healthy and welcome once again to my class. This video is for class 6. Today we'll continue chapter 4 of history, that is the earliest civilization. One topic is left in this chapter, that is case study on Gujarat. Today we'll discuss this topic and also we'll discuss the exercise of the chapter. Rest of the short answers and long answers we have completed. So let's continue with our topic, that is Dholavira. Dholavira is an archaeological site at Khadir Island in the Rann of Kutch district. And where is Rann of Kutch? Rann of Kutch is in Gujarat state in western India. It is also known locally as Kotada Timba. This site contains ruin of an ancient Indus Valley civilization. So Dholavira is also a site of इंदुस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की एक साइट है धौलावीरा एंड इट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड इन 1967 to 68. और इसको कब खोजा गया था? 67 से 1967 से 68 के बीच में बाय J.P. जोशी ऑफ द आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. ASI, the full form of ASI is Archaeological Survey of India. It is the fifth largest of 8 मेजर हड़प्पन साइट्स. तो जो 8 सबसे मेन साइट्स थी, हड़प्पन साइट्स थी, उसमें से ये फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट साइट है धौलावीरा. इट हैज़ बीन अंडर एक्सकेवेशन सिंस 1990 बाय द ASI, means Archaeological Survey of India, and is still on, means the excavation is still not completed, it is still under. The excavation had unearthed large numbers of ancient items. खुदाई के दौरान इसमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत सारे एंशियंट आइटम्स निकाले गए, जैसे कि एनिमल बोन्स, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, टेराकोटा ऑर्नामेंट्स, सील एंड ब्रॉन्ज वेसल्स. सो दीज मेटल्स लाइक गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड टेराकोटा ऑर्नामेंट, टेराकोटा के बने हुए गहने, सील बहुत सारी, और ब्रॉन्ज वेसल्स और एनिमल बोन्स पाए गए. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट बिलीव दैट धौलावीरा वॉज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सेंटर ऑफ ट्रेड. और आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट का मानना है कि ये ट्रेड का बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस रहा होगा, सेंटर रहा होगा उस समय में, व्यापार का बड़ा ही मुख्य केंद्र रहा होगा बिटवीन सेटलमेंट्स इन साउथ गुजरात, सिंध एंड पंजाब. And Dholavira was divided into 3 parts: Citadel, the middle town, and the lower town. And this feature made this site, means the Dholavira site, different from other sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Now, how Dholavira was different from other sites? Because the other sites found at Indus Valley civilization were divided into 2 parts only. The first one, Citadel, and the second one, the lower town. But Dholavira is the only site which is divided into, or which was divided into 3 parts. The first one, Citadel, the second one, middle town, and the third one, lower town. So this is the difference between the Dholavira site and the other sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Now each part is separated by a stone wall with entrances through gateways. अभी हर एक पार्ट को डिवाइड किया गया था, सेपरेट किया गया था स्टोन वॉल से, पत्थरों की दीवारों से इनको सेपरेट किया गया था, एक दूसरे से अलग किया गया था. Historians believe that the rulers of Dholavira must have lived in the Citadel. हिस्टोरियंस, इतिहासकारों का मानना है कि जो रूलर्स थे, द मेन पावर्स ऑफ धौलावीरा, मस्ट हैव लिव्ड इन द Citadel area, and the important officer and rich people, as I've told you in earlier in our other sites also, the priest, merchants, rich people lived in Citadel area. So same here. And rich people lived here in Middletown. So in Dholavira, Rulers lived in citadel and important officers and rich people lived in middle town and common people in lower town, as in other sites also. Now, one of the most important excavation at Dholavira was a signboard. अभी जो खुदाई के दौरान एक जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ पाई गई वो क्या थी, एक साइन बोर्ड मिला, जनरली नोन एज द धौलावीरा साइन बोर्ड, जिसको धौलावीरा साइन बोर्ड जाना जाता है. द हरप्पन्स हैड अरेंज्ड एंड सेट पीसेस ऑफ मिनरल जिप्सम. Gypsum is a type of mineral to form 10 large symbols or letters on a big wooden board. तो एक बड़े लकड़ी के बोर्ड पे, वुडन बोर्ड पे लगभग 10 बड़े सिम्बल्स को और लेटर्स को अरेंज किया गया था, एक साइन बोर्ड बनाया गया था. एंड द बोर्ड वॉज अबाउट 3 मीटर एंड ईच साइंस अबाउट 37 सेंटीमीटर हाई. बोर्ड की जो हाइट थी वो कितनी थी, 3 मीटर की, और जो उसके अंदर जो साइंस थे वो कितने थे, 37 सेंटीमीटर. The wood decayed by the arrangement of the letters survived. The inscription is one of the longest in the Indus script. Now, how was the inscription? Means शिलालेख कैसे थे? तो इंदुस स्क्रिप्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा लॉन्गेस्ट थे, विथ वन सिंबल अपियरिंग 4 टाइम्स, जिसमें एक सिंबल लगभग 4 बार एक इंस्क्रिप्शन में नज़र आ रहा था. And this is unique because generally Harappan writing has been found on small objects or such as seals. और ये यहाँ पे धौलावीरा इंस्क्रिप्शंस यूनिक क्यों हैं, सबसे अलग क्यों हैं बाकी साइट से? क्योंकि बाकी साइट्स में जो भी सील्स पाए गए थे, इसके पहले जो भी हरप्पन राइटिंग पाई गई थी वो स्मॉल छोटे ऑब्जेक्ट्स पे थी, जैसे कि सील पे, और यहाँ पे एक बड़े ऑब्जेक्ट पे हमें इंस्क्रिप्शन लिखा हुआ मिला. यू कैन सी इमेज ऑफ साइन बोर्ड एट धौलावीरा ऑल्सो, a 4 sign inscription, and it is also unique because this is supposed to be first sign board. मतलब इसके पहले माना जाता है कि कोई साइन बोर्ड नहीं बना था. Now a 4 sign inscription with large letters on sandstone is also found at the site, which was considered first of such inscription on sandstone on Harappan sites. Now we'll discuss the exercise. This chapter is finished. Read the chapter again for proper revision. Now first we'll discuss fill in the blanks. First one is dash script is written from right to left. So which script is written from right to left? If you remember, Indus Valley script or Harappan Valley script is written from right to left. Second, S.R. Rao excavated dash in Harappan site of Lothal. So S.R. Rao excavated what? Dockyard in Harappan site of Lothal. In some sites, in some cities, special buildings known as dash was constructed on the citadel. So the special building was Great Bath was constructed on the citadel. The Harappans based their city streets on a dash system. So if you remember, the streets was very well planned and it was based on a system that is known as grid system. The answer is grid system. The dash part contained the housing for the inhabitants. So which part? The sites was divided into 2 parts. The first one was the citadel and the second one was the lower town. So the lower part contained the housing for the inhabitants. Now true false. First one, Harappan people worshipped a mother goddess symbolizing fertility. So yes, in our last class we discussed that they worshipped a mother goddess symbolizing fertility. That's true. Second, Great Bath was constructed on lower part of the city. That's false because Great Bath was constructed on the citadel area, upper part of the city. We have discussed this in fill in the blanks right now. The Harappan script is intensely pictographic. Yes, that's also true. Harappan script or Indus script is intensely pictographic. मतलब pictures बने हुए थे उसमें. It was not written in letters. It was pictures in the script. Agriculture was the only occupation of the Harappan people. So agriculture was not the only occupation. They were trading also that time. So agriculture was the important occupation but not the only occupation. So that this one is false. Now the last one, true false, is Dholavira was an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. So yes, as we have discussed in the case study, that it was an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. That's true. Check the correct answers. First, which of the following were not built on citadel? So granaries, great bath, town hall. All these three were built on citadel, but houses were built on lower town. So here the right option is houses. Which tree was worshipped by Indus Valley people? So if you remember, we discussed this, that Indus Valley people used to worship peepal tree. Peepal tree is the right answer. From which site dockyard have been excavated? So Lothal is the site from which dockyard have been excavated. It is given in your fill in the blanks also. Harappan seals were carved with. So Harappan seals was carved with figures of humans, mythical unicorn, rhinoceros. So the answer is all of these. The largest building at Harappa was. The largest building at Harappa was granary. Granary was the largest building at Harappa. Here we finished our chapter. Our short answers, long answers and exercise also completed. Now read the chapter properly and complete all your work. Don't forget to give your attendance in the comment section. Write down your name, your class and the section. Thank you, class.